No flash. Okay, double. Or what are we making again?
Animal bus.
An animal bus, part 2.
Part 2. Put moving those later. Go in the later box.
In the later box?
Yep, this is the later box. That's the later box. Yeah, see, that's the later box.
Okay.
So later. So next we can build the way into the no build box.
No build box?
Yeah, this is the no build box.
What is?
We can't build this. The helicopter. That was called the no build box. Getting full.
Oh, yeah.
No build box.
Okay.
This is called save later box. That was the no build box.
Okay.
That was the no build box. You can't build that box out. Because they're broken. So you can't build a helicopter. We go.
What's that, the roof?
Yep.
Maybe we need to make the walls a little higher? We're running out of the skinny pieces.
Don't need any more.
Don't need no more?
Nope. No more. We don't need any more.
No more. I just feel like bringing them all out. That's skinny. Okay. So you think the walls are high enough?
Nope. Not high enough. No, don't build that. That was called the no build.
Okay.
No build. So it's really so. That was what the heck? I put the hair on.
I forgot the hair.
The backpack will go off here. Maybe she can't have a backpack.
Or she just has no hair.
Maybe she had to have hair.
Why?
She won't. Then she will die.
What? She'll die?
Yeah, with no hair, she'll die.
What?
If it was meant falling apart, you can't fix it ever again. You can't fix himself.
Well, we can fix them. What if I chop all my hair off? Am I going to die?
No.
Then she won't die either.
Can she's away from that? She won't.
But look, he doesn't have hair. He's alive.
Yeah, because a boy don't have hair.
Well, you have hair. I think we should allow her to not have hair because then she gets to wear a backpack. Isn't that more awesome? Because there's stuff in your backpack. You can't hold stuff in your hair.
No. You sure can wrap.
Yeah, you could wrap stuff in your hair, I guess so. Like your sandwich?
Yeah. But I
This guy, look at his head. He doesn't even have a head, he just has a block on his body. That's not right.
Can you take the pants off?
Sure, you hold up the camera.
Okay.
Don't push the screen.
Best recording.
Oh my gosh, it's so stuck on.
Train truck, train truck, train truck, train truck, train truck,
Make
train
people throw
truck,
up. Okay, I'll do this. Thank you.
train truck, train truck, train truck,
You're so late.
train truck, train truck, train truck,
Oh, that looks good.
train truck, train
Wow.
truck, train truck.
What happened?
They died.
What?
They got sick.
Stepped on by a giant monster?
No, by dinosaur.
By a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Dummy, dummy.
So now what do we need to do? Is it finished?
No,
What's next?
I don't know.
We need the roof. Finish the roof.
Fish wall.
Walls.
Yep.
So any more windows?
No. No window, that's it. There.
That's it.
All the windows are gone. No more. No windows.
Okay.
We need to build the walls higher though.
Higher?
Even that has to go
Guess
higher.
we're gonna have to choose a different color.
Yep.
White? I like white. White'll work.
No. No, it's white.
You don't like white?
White, not my favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
Red and blue.
Red and blue. What happened to orange?
I like orange and
Changed your mind?
blue. Yep.
Cool. I think then I'll make orange my favorite color.
But there's no orange here.
That's true. Why isn't there orange?
Because I don't have a little orange Lego. There's no thing of orange Lego.
That's right. I think they don't even make orange Lego.
I don't think so.
Sad.
Hey, baby!
Ah, sorry. I just wanted to look at it. Thanks. Ooh, fancy.
Hey!
He's flying.
Hey!
Hi. What's his name?
Hi.
Is that the bus driver?
Brody.
Brody, the bus driver? Awesome.
And her name is Auntie Karen.
Right on.
And his name is Uncle Hans.
Okay. Yep, you're in there.
Look at my butt. Look at my butt. It's an animal butt. Take animal to school.
Cool.
It had a cat in it.
I like it. So much room for more animals.
It's a big butt.
How many can you carry? 100,000? That's a lot of animals.
And it can stack up.
Cool.
Cool, are we done making the bus?
No. You need to move the springy to paint it.
Okay, we'll take a break.
No, don't take a break. Just I'll tell you what pieces I need. A skinny, yellow piece. That's 3.
Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Well, to be continued.